Farm animals. Cow. Cow makes the sound duck. Duck makes the sound pig. Pig makes the sound sheep. Sheep makes the sound chicken. Chicken makes the sound horse. Horse makes the sound dog. Dog makes the sound cat. Cat makes the sound goat. Goat makes the sound donkey. Donkey makes the sound rabbit. Rabbit makes the sound Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Learning Buddies channel. And press the bell icon to get notified about new educational videos. See you next time.